I used to think the goal was to make clean, polished drawings. Like, if I was careful enough, if I measured everything just right, maybe I could make something that looked finished, professional, real art. But somewhere along the way, I realized that mindset was holding me back because the more I tried to avoid making mistakes, the tighter and more anxious my drawings became. I'd second guess every line. I'd start over the second something looked off. And eventually, I just didn't want to draw. It took me a long time to understand this, but here's what I've learned. Mistakes are part of drawing. They're not something to avoid. They're where the good stuff actually lives. See, drawing isn't about control. It's not about executing some perfect vision in your head. It's a process of discovery. You start moving your pen across the page and you find the drawing as you go. Sometimes you make an awkward mark, or the proportions feel wrong, or the perspective's wonky, and that's okay. That's part of the language. And when you stop treating those moments as failures and start treating them as opportunities, something shifts. Suddenly, you're not trying to fix the drawing, you're playing with it. You're responding to it. You're letting it evolve into something you didn't plan. And that's when it gets interesting. That's one reason I love drawing with a ballpoint pen. It's unforgiving in the best way. There's no undo button, no eraser. Once you put the line down, it stays. And that sounds scary at first, but over time, it actually becomes freeing because you stop chasing perfection. You just keep moving forward. Even when something looks off, you learn to say, okay, let's keep going. Let's work with this. And you build that muscle of adapting, of trusting that whatever's on the page, you can do something with it. You can make it yours. Some of my favorite sketches are technically full of mistakes, but they have energy, they have life, they have something I couldn't have achieved if I was trying to draw it quote unquote right. So if you're someone who gets stuck, if you get frustrated when a drawing doesn't look the way you hoped, try this. Give yourself permission to make a mess. Use a pen. Draw loosely. Don't aim for a masterpiece, just fill the page. Let your lines wobble. Let your proportions drift. Keep going anyway. Because drawing is a skill, yes, but it's also a relationship. And the more generous and forgiving you are with yourself during the process, the more fun it becomes, the more you'll want to come back to it. So don't wait until you feel ready. Don't wait until you're good enough. That moment never really comes. Just start, make marks, make mistakes, and keep drawing.